Guys, Ponchino Makabuhay here. I mean Heaven Tyler here. Today we are playing. My sister and me are playing on camera. So let's start. Dili, play na tayo. Round and round. Dito tayo po. 3, 2, 1. Ni 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 ni. Arga naman. Sakay ka. Come on. Bilis. Sakay ka. Dapat ka sakay. Upo ka. Hindi. Slowly lang. Slowly. It's not faster. I told her she's just Samahin mo si Gray. Bili, sakay ka sa horse.
Dad, push, Gray, push. Bye, Gray, bye.
What? The sister is possessive. She's just scared. Ah! Ay, 3, 2, 1. He's jumping, scared. Tapak ka sa likod. Tapak. What a great mother. Oh my God. Oh my God.
Tito, usa.
Buday. Randy. Dito ka, oh. Lapit mo yung face mo dito. Sa camera. Sakay ka ulit. Sa ganito, ganun lang. Sakay ka. Ganito lang, oh. Like this lang.
Tito, Dada.
Ganito lang, oh. Ganun lang. Bilis, sakay ka.
Dada,
Kayang dalawa ni Gray. Sama mo si Gray. Kawawa naman si Gray. And, guys, this is Tommy and Ice in 3, 2, 1. Room.
Labay! Dapat tayo agad.
Don't just puke. Sakay ka sa Tommy. Help me!
Tito, Gray.
Help me, guys! Run! Don't do it.
Uy, kaya ba? Umamali ko bata na ko eh.
Whatever, this sucks. But my mom! Pasan mo. Who farted?